Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry. As we get into tonight's review, we've got some real ranges in the SPX, right? For a Fed day, you could expect that there's going to be a little bit more movement, but today was a very real round trip. Trading down into the 50-16 skyline is where we spend a little bit of our morning consolidating. Then a really strong rip up into the psychological value, the big round number of 5100, and then giving all of that back into the close. So on a move like this, I believe that we are very much set up for tomorrow to be heading down at least for a test of 5K. Right, with a close like this, we could very much open at those levels, and then maybe about another 50 points. Right, you take out these swing lows, you push down into 49.50, and that's going to be an area where I'm a little bit more interested in trying to see if the markets can bounce. But there may be a very real tradable move down into those strikes, depending on how we open up tomorrow. So I would be looking for that. Again, it's somewhere between 10 to 60 points of downside for Thursday and Friday. If the SPX gets that type of a downdraft, watch for the bottom to be made when the put-call ratio becomes extreme. You can use this in both ways. One way would be to say, if you see price action that looks pretty weak, maybe it's trading somewhere between sideways to lower, and the put-call ratio is at something like 0.7 or 0.6, that kind of action is going to continue to fall. Usually what you need to see is price action that accelerates in a very aggressive way to the downside. And on that big flush type move, the put call ratio gets above 1.0, maybe something into a 1.2 reading. At that point, the fear is usually a little bit too strong. There's too many participants that are buying puts at what can end up being close to the low. So again, let prices fall until this becomes extreme. When it does, that may be a spot to sell some premium, and that is the trading plan that I am taking heading into Thursday. I hope you find the review helpful. Have a great rest of your evening, and I hope to see you in the chat rooms tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.